Assalam-o-alaikum, I hope all is well. In this video we know the kindness of Abu Bakar, radallahu anhu, the kindness of Abu Bakar, may Allah be pleased with him. Once upon a time in the city of Makkah, there lived a man named Abu Bakar. He was a close companion and a dear friend of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Abu Bakar was known for his kindness, generosity and compassion. One day, Abu Bakar was walking through the busy market when he saw a poor old woman struggling to carry a heavy load of groceries. Her face was tired and her hands trembled under the weight of the bags. Without hesitation, Abu Bakar rushed to her aid. He greeted her with a warm smile and said, "Peace be upon you, dear sister. Let me help you with these heavy bags." Abu Bakar took some of the bags from her hands and carried them with a cheerful heart. As they walked together, Abu Bakar learned that the old woman was a widow who lived alone. She had no family to support her, and life had become difficult for her. Abu Bakar felt a deep sense of empathy and compassion for her. Instead of just helping her with the groceries, Abu Bakar decided to make a positive change in her life. He asked her about her needs and discovered that her house was in need of repair. The roof leaked and the walls were crumbling. Abu Bakar, with his big heart, immediately took the responsibility to fix her house. He gathered a group of skilled workers and provided all the necessary materials. They worked tirelessly until the old woman's house was transformed into a comfortable and secure home. When the old woman saw the changes, tears of gratitude filled her eyes. She thanked Abu Bakar and prayed for his well-being. Abu Bakar, in his humility, attributed the kindness to the teachings of Islam and the compassionate example set by Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This story teaches us the importance of kindness, compassion, and going the extra mile to help those in need. Abu Bakar's actions reflect the true spirit of El and the beautiful character of the Prophet and companions.